What's going on, theme park lifestyle family? I am here at Epcot on an amazing day today. It is the opening day of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Yes, I already did my pass holder preview, but I decided to come out here today on May 27th just to check out the opening of this attraction. Let's go and do this. All right, now, so in order to ride Cosmic Rewind, you have to do what's called a virtual queue. And it's done at 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. If you do it at 7 a.m., you can be anywhere to do it. But if you do it at 1 p.m., you must be inside of the park before 1. And you have to do it exactly at 1 p.m. And I will actually show you how to do it in this next scene here. So my actual day started at about 6:30 a.m. And I'm going to show you how to book this. I didn't get a chance to get my booking for 7 a.m. and I had to do it at 1 p.m. But you have two chances, one at 7 a.m. and one at 1 p.m. At 7 a.m. you can book anywhere, any location, but the one for 1 p.m. you must be in the park. So how you do this, right before 7 a.m. you go into the app, you hit the virtual queue. It'll send you to different screens. You select your party, who's all involved. And as you see at the bottom down there, you'll see a little refresh button once you choose your party. You wait until 7 a.m. on the dot, not 7:01, not 7:02, at 7 a.m. on the dot. And you click that button and it will place you right into the queue line. Now, I messed up and I did it at like 7:01, 7:02, and it was already sold out. When I tried to book for Lightning Lane, it was already sold out as well. So I did go to the park at 1 p.m. Well, a little bit before 1 p.m., around 12:30. And I was able to book myself a Lightning, actual virtual queue for Guardians of the Galaxy at 1 p.m. And I did that method that I was just explaining in order to book it. So it is a virtual queue, and as you see, there is a wait of 370 minutes, which is a 5.9 hour wait, but it is a virtual queue. I literally waited 5.9 hours, but I didn't wait at the attraction. I was able to go into the park and do other things for about 5.5 hours. At the 5.5 hour mark, I got a notification that it was time for Guardians.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator. an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Epcotians.
What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior Mark, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's cake. Where's this cake?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
It's first time?
Yes.
It's fun.
For the screen.
It's okay. I did my first time too.
I'm wondering if I should take my glasses off.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket! Well, okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Noise! No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existence.
Here we go!
I think we're jumping back.
Have you not been paying attention? We just got blessings. We haven't contained, but not wrong.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
So that was Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. That was my third time riding that attraction since Passholder Preview. I can say this, I wasn't as dizzy as the first time I rode it. The part where the dizziness came in for me would be when you see the galaxy, the moon, and the earth, because I think the vehicle's rotating and you're trying to focus on looking at that particular object moving. But this was a great ride. This is a must-do at Epcot. This was something that was needed, and this is number one in my book as far as Disney roller coasters. Definitely come and check it out at Epcot. This is Rail signing out for Theme Park Lifestyle. Thank you for catching my Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind POV. See you in the next vlog.